For dinner, we're having the spaghetti sandwiches. There's French bread, melted mozzarella cheese, put in the oven to toast it with browned garlic butter. Stuff it with spaghetti.
Spaghetti sandwiches. Gosh.
The meatballs sub up better.
Yeah. I'm having it with a Dr. Pepper, and the straw, Christmas straw, is the wreath.
For what?
The wreath.
I need a napkin.
I have one for what?
Huh? If
What
I get
was-
sauce on me.
I think it went a little heavy on the garlic.
Oh, boom.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Okay.
I bet too much one.
What?
Just eat it.
Get it, baby. No, no.
Dad.
No. Yes.
What's chapter 2 of the Power Ranger where I'm the Power Ranger?
Stay up there.
Ignore my hair. I'm washing it tonight. It was fixed earlier. Took it down. Been playing on the ground with the baby. Just ignore it. Focus on the spaghetti sandwich.
I hope. Hey, hey, hey.
I got knocked because I was in the storm trying. I bought his Rebo card. The
Bought?
one-
You bought
the.
it? Mm-hmm.
But I died because I bought it in the store. Well, I got knocked. He so much is flying to Rebo the other day.
No, because then the round would never end.
I have no more water. Could I please get water? What's 0 plus 5?
5.
Well,
Did you answer mama?
I'm so full, but just one more bite.
All my
we say
cheese went to
bye-bye?
the bottom, so it's like super delicious cheesy right now.
Mine was all throughout.
I just had a tiny bit.
Thanks so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.